Dear friends, coming to you after a break. Hope you're fine, keep safe. We are coming to the next of the syllabus. Last class we had done network designs or types of network. There we saw PAN, that is personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network WAN. That covers a geographical area, that is network design. Now we come to the next, that is network topologies. A topology means it explains how the individual nodes in a computer network are connected. That is topology, which means the individual nodes, how are they connected? There are different ways you can interconnect them to the server among them. So that is topology. So here we are going to see following 6 type of connections. This is a possible question always. Diagram is important for each. So let us see each connection and we will see the explanation, and I will also forward the notes based on this, which you can take down few. Now for every connection, when you explain for the exam, instead of drawing all the pictures together, it would be preferred that you draw a picture, explain what it is, its advantage, disadvantage. Similarly for each of this. So let us proceed one by one. So the first connection is called a bus topology. So this is like we have a central channel which carries the data to which clients, these are all clients which are individual machines connected, and there is a server from which the channel is connected to. So this is an easy network to implement, to manage, etc. But the cable length is always limited, just like you have a water supply pipe central. How many connections you can have, there is a limit. Exactly, don't write those in the notes, but an example is that. Okay, so two things that you will see when we compare all this network is two terms. One is called the scalability of a network, meaning how can I add. So if I want to add one more node here, does it cause problem to the entire network? No problem, I can add one here without affecting the network. So which means this network is scalable. So that is called scalability of a network. Another term is, suppose let's imagine this network, this node becomes problem. It doesn't work, becomes defective. Will it affect the remaining networks? It will not. The remaining network can still function. So this is called an independent network, or there is an isolation of a node. So that means independent nodes or clients are isolated. So it's not going to affect. So these two terms will come. So if you look here, it is scalable plus it is isolated. Come the next topology, ring. Here things are connected like in a ring. Okay. So when you have ring topology, it forms, each node is connected to its left neighbor and right neighbor, forming a ring. Here there is a disadvantage. Suppose one node gets defective, the entire network will come to a standstill. So it is not isolated. Next, adding one more network node or a client is very difficult. That means it's not scalable. It affects. Okay, so this is a network that has got defect of that. Next is called star. Here there is a central server or a hub, which is, it's called hub, which is central machine to which network the nodes are connected, just like a star. Each is a point-to-point connection. So server to this, it's a straight connection. So there are some advantages. Disadvantage here is, it is again a limited network. This is called the star network. The performance of the network will purely depend upon the central machine, and the entire network depends on the central machine. So next, coming to a mesh network. Mesh is nothing but interconnection of every terminal, every node in the network is connected to every other node. So it is, as the word itself, it is meshy, lot of cable length used, etc. So but only advantage is every node can communicate to other node directly because there is a connection between each. So that's the advantage, but management administration is always troublesome here. The next, a tree network, or this is also called tree network, a hierarchical network. We find it as a tree upside down. So there is a first node, this is called a root node, then to which it is a spanning out network. Okay. So this is one of the network topology that is widely used. Advantage, it is isolated. You can also, there is a level of scalability. You can always add more nodes. So, but how much we can span out is limited on the cable and what are used intermediate switches or routers. You will find them in the nodes what they are. Then we have, of course, this is nothing but a combination of other, extended star, or you say hybrid topology, which means if you look here, this is nothing but a tree and star put together. This is a star wherein individually a tree. So a combination of different topologies combined together, we get this. So let's just go through the so this is a diagram. When you write for exam, one diagram, definition, advantage, disadvantage. So let me just put together. So if you look here, you will find the network topology, definition, describes how the nodes are interconnected. Bus topology, here is the definition, and how advantages, disadvantages for each, which I have explained. More details are here. Then here is a ring topology, benefits and its disadvantages. Then we have a star topology, okay. Then its benefits, its disadvantage. Mesh topology, which is combination of every node getting connected to other. One important thing you need to remember here is when you are to travel data in a mesh topology, there are two ways data is transmitted. One is called routing, that is from one node to the other, and the next is called flooding. It's like a broadcast when I want to transfer from one node to every other node. So these are the two methods used for data transfer here. Then we have the tree topology. Okay, we have a root node at the center as a hierarchical and spanning out network. Advantages, disadvantages. This will be attached to this node, so you will be able to go through and study. Please understand the diagram. Then we have the hybrid, which is a combination of 2 or 3 topologies put together. Advantage, disadvantage. Kindly go through this. I think it should be clear. Thank you.